Cruise cabins are notoriously cramped, leaving you tripping over luggage and fighting for counter space. But with these genius, budget-friendly hacks, you can transform that small room into a luxurious retreat that rivals the ship's priciest suites. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on cruise cabin hacks. Transform your tiny room into a luxury suite. If you've ever felt like your cruise cabin is closing in on you, you're not alone. These rooms are designed for efficiency, not extravagance. But fear not, I've scoured the best tips from fellow cruisers, travel experts, and my own experiences to bring you the countdown of 15 game-changing hacks. We'll go from number 15 to the top spot, number 1. Each one is easy, affordable, and totally rule-compliant with most major cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Norwegian. For each hack, I'll explain what it is, how to use it, and why it works wonders to make your cabin feel bigger, more organized, and downright luxurious. Let's get started. Number 15. Bring magnetic hooks. These are strong neodymium magnets with hooks attached, available cheaply online or at hardware stores. Simply stick them to your cabin's metal walls, no tools needed. Why it works? Cruise cabin walls are magnetic, so this instantly creates vertical storage for towels, hats, lanyards, or lightweight bags. It clears clutter from floors and surfaces, making the room feel airier and more suite-like, as if you have custom built-in organizers. Pro tip, pack 6 to 8 for maximum impact, and use them in the bathroom too for hanging wet swimsuits.
Number 14. Use an over-the-door shoe organizer. This is a fabric pouch with multiple pockets, typically meant for shoes, but perfect for multi-purpose storage. Grab one with clear pockets for easy visibility. Hang it over your bathroom or closet door. Why it works? Cabins lack shelf space, especially in bathrooms. So this hack adds tons of compartments for toiletries, sunscreens, jewelry, or snacks without taking up counter real estate. It keeps everything accessible and tidy, transforming a chaotic vanity into a streamlined spa setup, giving that luxury hotel vibe where everything has its place. Number 13. Store luggage under the bed. Most cruise beds are elevated on frames, leaving about 12 to 18 inches of clearance underneath. Slide your empty suitcases there right after unpacking. Why it works? This frees up precious floor and closet space in an instant, preventing your cabin from feeling like a storage unit. It's a simple move that opens up the room visually, allowing you to move around freely, like upgrading from a cramped economy seat to first class. If your bed is too low, politely ask your steward to raise it. They often can. Number 12. Pack with packing cubes. These are zippered fabric containers in various sizes that compress and categorize your clothes. Sort outfits by day or type, like swimwear in one, evening wear in another, before your trip. Why it works? Drawers and shelves in cabins are limited and oddly shaped, so cubes keep clothes wrinkle-free, organized, and easy to grab without rummaging. It turns a jumbled mess into a neat wardrobe system, making your space feel more efficient and luxurious, like having a personal valet organizing your things. Number 11. Bring a non-surge protector outlet extender. Opt for a cruise-approved multi-port USB charger or extension cord without surge protection. Check your line's rules, as surge ones are often banned for fire safety. Plug it into one of the cabin's few outlets. Why it works? Modern cruises mean multiple devices, phones, tablets, cameras, but outlets are scarce. This hack powers everything at once, keeping cords contained and your nightstand clutter-free. It elevates the room's functionality to suite level, where you can charge while lounging without playing outlet musical chairs. Number 10. Use collapsible hangers. These are slim, foldable plastic or fabric hangers that pack flat in your suitcase. Bring extras beyond what's provided in the closet. Why it works? Cabin closets are tiny with limited hangers, so these expand your hanging options without bulking up your luggage. They prevent clothes from piling up on chairs, keeping the space open and orderly, like a walk-in closet in miniature. Bonus, they're lightweight and reusable for future trips. Number 9. Hang a toiletry organizer. This is a hanging bag with compartments and a hook, designed for showers or doors. Fill it with your shampoo, lotions, and makeup. Why it works? Bathroom counters are minuscule, leading to spills and mess. Hanging it frees up surfaces, making the bathroom feel bigger and more spa-like. It's a luxury touch that keeps your routine smooth, as if you have a dedicated vanity area instead of a shared sink battleground. Number 8. Roll your clothes instead of folding. Simply roll each garment tightly like a burrito before packing or storing in drawers. Why it works? Rolling saves space, reduces wrinkles, and lets you see everything at a glance without digging. In a small cabin, this means fuller drawers without overflow, creating a sense of abundance and order, like a high-end boutique display, rather than a stuffed suitcase explosion. Number 7. Plan a capsule wardrobe. Select versatile mix-and-match pieces in neutral colors, e.g. 5 tops, 3 bottoms, 2 dresses, that can create multiple outfits. Why it works? Overpacking leads to clutter in tight quarters, but a capsule minimizes what you bring, leaving more room for souvenirs or relaxation. It makes your cabin feel less stuffed and more refined, like curating a personal suite wardrobe where every item serves a purpose. Number 6. Add a motion sensor nightlight. These are small, battery-powered LED lights that activate with movement. Place one near the bed or bathroom door, especially in windowless inside cabins. Why it works? Cabins can be pitch black at night, leading to stubbed toes or disorientation. This hack provides soft, hands-free illumination, making midnight trips safe and the space feel cozier and more upscale, like having ambient lighting in a luxury hotel room. Number 5. Use binder clips for curtains. Pack a few large office binder clips to clip curtains together or to the wall. Why it works? Many cabins have light-leaking curtains or verandas, disrupting sleep. This seals gaps for total darkness, enhancing comfort and turning your bed into a plush, blackout sanctuary. It's a cheap fix that feels premium, like custom window treatments. Number 4. Bring multifunctional items. Choose things like a sarong that doubles as a blanket, towel, or dress, or a phone stand that also charges. Why it works? Space is premium, so items with dual purposes reduce what you pack, keeping the cabin uncluttered. It adds a layer of convenience and elegance, making your setup feel thoughtfully designed, like a bespoke suite. Number 3. Install temporary command hooks. These are adhesive hooks that remove cleanly. Avoid on wallpaper. Test first. Stick them on doors or walls for light items. Why it works? If magnets don't stick everywhere, these provide extra hanging spots without damage. They expand storage seamlessly, making the room feel customized and expansive, like adding built-in features to your temporary home. Number 2. Add a portable fan. A small, clip-on or USB-powered fan. Ensure it's allowed, no heating elements. Place it on a nightstand for airflow. Why it works? Cabins can get stuffy with shared AC, but this improves circulation for better sleep and comfort. It creates a breezy, resort-like atmosphere, elevating the luxury feel without altering the ship's systems. And now the number 1 hack: reconfigure the furniture. Politely ask your cabin steward to combine twin beds into a queen, move side tables, or adjust the desk if possible. Why it works? Standard layouts aren't always optimal, but tweaking them opens up floor space and tailors the room to your needs. This can make a tiny cabin feel double the size, like designing your own luxury layout, truly transforming it into a personalized suite.
Whew, there you have it. The top 15 cruise cabin hacks to turn that compact space into a luxurious oasis on your next voyage. These tips are all about smart organization, maximizing every inch, and adding those little comforts that make a big difference. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way to avoiding cabin chaos and enjoying more relaxation time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cruise advice, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite cabin hack, or which one will you try first? Thanks for watching. Happy cruising, and see you on the high seas.